Africa is still queuing, waiting online, and wondering when these vaccines will arrive here. There have been many formulas used to see how we can find vaccines coming to Africa. Nothing has worked as we speak. And people have come up with terms of vaccine nationalism and so on and so forth that has a basis. It has a basis for calling it that. So the new administration would help, therefore, looking at how Africa would also be integrated in this vaccine access as it is globally. If you look at Rwanda and Africa, we suffer from one fact that there is so much talk about sovereignty, but you find either we don't qualify to have these sovereign rights. Every other person across the world wants to decide either for Rwanda or decide for Africa. Africa remains marginalized because, one, we have remained divided just as individual countries, and it becomes easier to manipulate one country and sometimes one against the other. And there are many actors who get involved in that for different reasons of their own interests. So we decided that we are going to come together, strengthen the African Union, actually make African Union not just unified, but also effective and efficient in management of its affairs. And then that way we can easily confront the challenges facing us. In terms of debt, people talk so much about the debt of China accumulating and creating problems for Africans, but there is a debt accumulated through the Paris Club arrangement. So people don't talk about that. Debt is debt. How it burdens you, it doesn't matter whether it is Chinese or European or United States. Some of the friends we deal with in the West, they come with this mindset that, Africa is indifferent to human rights, to democracy, to freedom. So they come to do it for us, or to tell you that you should be doing it on their demands. And we are saying, no, we as human beings, no human being anywhere would want to live by dictates from somebody else. My understanding is, no, we are all human beings. We those who believe in God and the creation, they know we are all human beings. So there is no way I can allow anybody to lower my values to that level, that they are only there because they are around guiding me to realize them, or for my people. Absolutely not.